In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Gmail inbox under control. We all know that feeling when our inbox is overflowing with emails, and it seems like there's just no end in sight. But today, I'm here to help you tackle that problem head-on with some practical steps to clean up your email clutter. First, let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to your Gmail account. Once you're there, take a moment to look at your inbox and notice any patterns. Are there emails from newsletters, social media updates, or maybe even promotions? Identifying these patterns is the first step in organizing and decluttering your inbox efficiently. Now, here's a tip. Gmail has a feature called Labels, which can be your best friend. Labels are like folders, but they're even more flexible. You can tag emails with multiple labels, making it easier to categorize and find them later. To create a label, head over to the left panel of your Gmail interface, scroll down and click on the More button. Then, you'll see an option to Create New Label. Name your label something relevant like newsletters or promotions, and start tagging relevant emails. Next, let's talk about filters. Filters allow you to automate the sorting of incoming emails. For example, you can create a filter that automatically labels and archives emails from a specific sender, allowing you to address them later at your convenience. To set up a filter, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of your Gmail, then go to See All Settings. Navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab and click on Create a New Filter. Fill in the criteria that match the emails you want to manage, then decide what you want Gmail to do with those emails. This can save you a significant amount of time in the long run. Another powerful tool is the Search feature. It's not just for finding emails, you can use it to clear out entire folders. For instance, if you type label.newsletters into the search bar, you can see all emails tagged with newsletters. From there, it's easy to delete, archive, or further sort them with ease. Lastly, don't forget to unsubscribe from unwanted newsletters. If you notice you're receiving emails you never read or no longer find useful, open one of those emails and look for the unsubscribe link, typically at the bottom. Taking a few minutes to unsubscribe from unnecessary emails can greatly reduce the number of emails landing in your inbox. And there you have it. With these strategies, you'll have a cleaner and more organized Gmail inbox in no time. Remember to regularly review your labels and filters and make adjustments as your email habits change. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you regain control of your digital space.